Hello, it's Kevin Mitchell from Professional Pricing Society here, and the PPS team and I would like to extend a special invitation for you to join us at the upcoming 2022 Spring PPS Pricing Workshops and Conference to be held from April 26th to the 29th in Chicago. It has been far too long since we've had the opportunity to interact with our members in person, and I'm really looking forward to the important, timely discussions that we're going to have on pricing strategies and tactics, on revenue management, on sales enablement, and a lot more. Our conference will feature 4 concurrent breakout tracks: pricing practitioners, pricing experts, tools and techniques, and data analysis. And we will have lots of information about revenue driving themes, such as how you can identify customer segments, how you can build partnerships with sales and finance, how you can build resistance during transformation, and much, much more. Please check our website, pricingsociety.com, for more information. Thank you.